Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 190 Duxbury Road in the town of Greece.
This is a picture-perfect ranch home in mint condition.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to this picture-perfect ranch, featuring a spacious living room with hardwood floors.
Imagine entertaining in this updated kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, custom countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Open to the family room with a brickwood burning fireplace and patio access. Plus a formal dining room with hardwood floors. This home also features a bedroom wing with 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and 2 full bathrooms, including a private owner's suite.
Enjoy relaxing in your private, fully fenced backyard with an expansive patio, a fire pit, and a shed for great storage. Steps away is the mall at Greece Ridge with excellent shopping and restaurants. The town of Greece has a great location nearby Lake Ontario.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 190 Duxbury Road in the town of Greece.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!